My name's Justine Davies. I'm Professor of Global Health Research at the University of Birmingham. Funding for health systems in lower middle income countries up until very recently has been practically non-existent. So whilst there's been funding to treat single diseases like malaria or HIV, then funding to provide a health system like we know it in high-income countries like a hospital and primary care, and these are all interlinked, hasn't existed. So what we are trying to do is to provide the evidence to build quality health systems in lower middle income countries. And my talk is going to be about how we go about doing that research and the findings that we have made. The research that we do is of interest to anybody that accesses a healthcare system or studies a healthcare system, whether they be lay people or researchers or research funders. People in the UK and other high-income countries are quite cosy in their access to healthcare, whereas in lower middle-income countries we find that these systems don't exist. So for people who are interested in how other people in other countries live, whether that's just out of general interest or because they actually research it, I hope that this inaugural lecture is useful. It's a pleasure. Birmingham is my hometown. I grew up here and then I disappeared for 20 years, so it's a pleasure to be coming back to this university to give such an important inaugural lecture, and I hope you will enjoy it.